608, putting mental health top of mind for its nurses.
This is such a neat story and really topical, very important. Josh Breiter is here with just how they're doing that. Good morning, Josh.
Good morning, guys. UnityPoint-Health-Meriter is recognizing the struggles and trauma their ICU staff has been dealing with throughout the pandemic and wanted to provide a supportive and healing environment. With that, the trauma recovery groups are trying something a bit different. They're taking their therapy outside to experiment with nature and talk therapy. Recently, the Meriter ICU staff went kayaking on Badfish Creek with their therapist and did a therapy session while they were out on the water to learn about different active coping skills. The boats are provided by Brittingham Boats in Madison, which partners with Meriter. As the hospital and community leans heavily on their ICU staff, ICU managers say it's important to have those conversations with team members outside of work to break down those barriers.
I think for your own mental health, you need to be able to figure out what you've been through and process that and name that emotion and feel it. And it's hard. It's hard to feel these emotions. It's hard to reflect on what's happened to you. You want to just dismiss it and pretend it never happened. But in order to move on, we need to be able to acknowledge what happened, what we were feeling, and how do we move past that? Because our body is going through it, whether we're willing to acknowledge it or not.
Nurse manager Magena Schumann says those working in the ICU tend to hold things internally, so it's crucial to work through personal and group struggles. They do this in different groups at Meriter while they're on the clock, of course keeping in mind schedules and making sure the ICU floors keep their normal coverage. If you'd like to learn more about the ICU trauma recovery groups at UnityPoint-Health-Meriter, you can go to the story on channel3000.com. We've been talking over and over the last couple of years how important it is to be able to talk about things, no matter what it is, guys. This is an important reason right here that these folks that are seeing this day in and day out, some of the worst every single day, that they need this type of break to be able to get out of the hospital and to be able to talk about it with their peers.
And nature is so healing. If I need a break, camping is the first place I go. Kayaking, it's just wonderful. This is exactly what folks need to be doing more of, Josh.
Yeah, we know how beautiful it is around here, right? We like to get out here during the summertime, the nice weather, just be able to, take a breather and relax. And for these folks, I mean, you can tell it's already making a huge difference for them over there at Meriter. So we applaud them for those efforts as well.
Absolutely. Josh Breiter, good story this morning. Thanks, Josh.
Remember to let Josh know what inspires you in the 608. You can reach out to him on social media or shoot him an email for a chance to be featured.